This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be starting rounding, comparing whole numbers. If you look on my chart, you see we're going to be talking about greater than, less than, or equal to. When we talk about greater than, we talk about the number that is larger than the number that you have. When we talk about less than, we talk about the number is smaller than the number that you have. And when we talk about equal to, we talk about the two numbers that you have are the exact same, so they will be equal to each other. Let's go ahead and look at some examples. I'm going to move my chart. So if I have the number 16 and 20, if I'm looking at my numbers, I have 16 and I have 20. Well, the sign for greater than would be going this way. The sign for less than would be going this way, and the sign for equal to would be this way. So those are my three symbols for greater than, less than, or equal to. So if I'm looking at 16 and I am counting, or if I have a number line, and I have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I have 20 on my number line. I'm looking and I see that 16 is closer to the left of the number line than it is to the right of the number line. So therefore, 16 is smaller than 20. So if 16 is smaller than 20, then my greater than, less than symbol always goes toward the bigger number. So therefore, my greater than, less than symbol would go toward the 20. Another easy trick is I like to think, some people say the Pac-Man eats the larger number, or the alligator eats the larger number. So in this case, when I read my number, I am reading 16 is less than 20. Let's look at another number. I have 33 and 33. Well, remember, we're talking about greater than, less than, and equal to. So if I'm looking at 33 and 33, they look like the same, correct? So I already know that 33 is equal to 33. Let's look at another number. I have 9 and I have 15. If I'm looking at my number line, I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I see that 9 is closer to the left end than it is to the right end. So I can say that 9 is less than 15. So remember, our mouth is going to open to the larger number. As I read this problem, I'm reading 9 is less than 15. And we'll do one more using tens. Here I have 45 and I have 81. So I'm looking at my number line. If I have one right here, and then I would think, is 45 smaller than 81, or is 45 greater than 81? Well, I know if I'm counting, even if I'm counting by tens, I get to 40 before I get to 80. So my answer would be 45 is less than 81. And I would read that number is 45 is less than 81. Well, what do you do if you have three numbers that are basically the same? So let's look at that. I have we'll do 2 first. All right, so I'm looking at my number. Now I'm going to go to my 1 spot. Here I have a 4 and a 6. All right, here I have a 3 and a 3, a 6 and a 6. So I'm looking at my first digit. I see that 4 is smaller than 6. So when I'm writing my number, it's 634 is less than 636. Because what you're looking at is your two end numbers. Let's do another one. So now I have 798 and 652. So, well, I already know that if I'm counting, if I'm looking at my first digit, 6 is already smaller than 7. So I already know that my greatest than symbol is going to go toward my bigger number. So when I'm reading this number, I'll read 798 is greater than 652. Remember, when you're doing rounding, your symbols are greater than, less than, and equal to. Greater than means that the number is larger than the number that you have. Less than means that the number is smaller than the number that you have. And equal to means that the number is the same. So for instance, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 1, 2, 3. 6 is greater than 3. My next one, I have 1 bumblebee and I have 4 ladybugs. 1 is less than 4. Notice that the mouth opens toward the larger number. The mouth or the line, the greater than or less than sign opens toward the larger number. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red birds and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bluebirds. 5 and 5 are equal. Today, you are going to watch 2 videos. You are going to watch a math on the spot. You are going to watch the video that I am doing now. And then you are also going to do a review for place value. Have a great day.